Hey y'all, I love wine. I've been to wineries all over the world and have passed an introductory level sommelier exam, but I don't really know that much about Alabama wine. Muscadine wine is really popular here in the South, and it's a sweeter style wine. I'm packing some spicy picnic foods to take with me to the local winery to learn more about Muscadine wine. Let's hit the road and get to tasting. I found an Asian salad kit at the grocery store that I've packed. I also have some spicy Thai peanut noodles that I think are gonna go great with my Asian salad, and some cold fried chicken fingers. And knowing me, y'all know how much I love dessert, I got 2 pre-made desserts. This really good looking coconut custard pie and a mango key lime pie. I'm at Wills Creek Winery. Let's get tasting.
We are known, our signature wines are our Muscadine. The first one we're going to talk about today is our Blush Muscadine. It is made from the lighter fruit, but not quite red. The juice that comes out is really a beautiful light red color, and we ferment it immediately. We don't put it on the skins as we do the purple Muscadine. This is one of our least sweet wines, although it is sweet.
I really like that one. It's not as sweet as you expect. When you smell it, it smells a lot sweeter. This might go with my fried chicken, and it's cold fried chicken, which I think most people eat it hot. I love leftover cold fried chicken.
You're a Southerner after my own heart. I don't like rewarmed fried chicken, that's for sure.
That is not the way to do it here in the South.
So let's take a look at our Bronze Muscadine. From our white fruit that we bring in from the vineyard, we put all of our white fruit together and immediately start it into fermentation.
So these two are made the exact same way, it's just 2 different grape varieties.
Yes.
This one smells just like muscadines fresh off the vine. I remember picking them when I was little in my neighbor's yard.
Now we make this a little bit sweeter because I do have actually people tell me that this is not sweet enough, so.
Really?
So the purple muscadine is the next one we're gonna try. It's darker and it's fermented on the skins for about 5 days. So you get all the good antioxidants from the skins and the seeds. It's fermenting while it's on the skins, and then we put it right in the press and press it out, and then it continues to ferment in the stainless tank.
This one smells sweeter than the rest of them. I think these two smell really similar, but this one is a little bit more ripe smelling. That doesn't necessarily mean the grapes were riper.
Well, we try to bring all of our fruit in that's very ripe. We're pretty picky about what comes in.
It's not what you want. You don't get the wine result that you want.
Exactly, yes. So here we are, and this whole area is cleaned out, and we bring in our muscadines and we crush them, and we get them right into the press if they're the bronze. And then if it's the purple fruit, that will go straight into these barrels to start fermentation.
The way that you ferment wines is you add yeast into the fruit and let it ferment.
So the fruit wine's different because it's not high in sugar. We add quite a lot of sugar. There's acid, there's other nutrients that you have to add that you don't to your grapes and muscadine.
I'm from Georgia, so peaches are, state fruit, and I like anything with peaches in it, and I heard you make a great peach wine.
Would you like to taste it?
I would.
Okay, so this peaches came from Chilton County, which is known for its peaches here in Alabama.
This is really clear. It tastes a lot sweeter than it smells, which is, I think, the opposite of the muscadine wine. This peach one, I think, could be my favorite just because I'm partial to peaches, but what's your favorite one that y'all do?
I have to say it's our blueberry.
If you've ever had a wine that's made from another fruit like strawberries or peaches or pears, throw it in the comments. I would love to read about it and hear what your first non-grapefruit wine experience is.
So Ivy, here is our bottling room. First of all, we bring the wine in, we have to stabilize it, maybe back sweeten, and then we filter it, and it's filtered and ready to go. So we bottle it and cork it, and then if we're doing a big batch, we can use our 6-bottle filler, and we can do about 25 to 50 in a day using that machine if everybody's on hand.
Wow.
So here we are at our 6-acre vineyard at the windmill, and you see the vines have lost the leaves. We've harvested the fruit in October. They're dormant now, and we will begin pruning in February.
Here's some dried muscadines on the vine already.
Some
These are raisins.
So this is a young vine, and we'll prune these back right here to take all of this out, and then we will come along this arm and cut back to about two to three eyes, and then everywhere there's an eye there will be buds come out, and from that there will be fruit. All the fruit is right at the wire, so it makes it easy to harvest in the fall.
Winemaking does not stop. It is a year-round thing. People think that all you do is you grow grapes and you press it and you make juice and you ferment it, but it's year-round. You have to prune the vines and take care of them even in the dormant winter months.
We might have December and January to relax, although we're making wine, bottling wine, it's constant.
I've loved being able to see the process of fermentation and touring these beautiful vineyards.
It was a pleasure to have you and enjoy your wine and your good picnic.
Thank you so much. This Bronze Muscadine wine, I think, is the perfect balance of sweetness for the spicy peanut noodle salad. Y'all, they have such a good variety of ready-made foods. I don't know if I've talked about how much I love ready-made foods. I had such a busy week, so I went to Publix and got some really awesome ready-made food, like this spicy peanut noodle salad. It sounded delicious. It's really spicy. The spiciness of the noodles is kind of mellowed out by the sweetness of the wine. And that's really just an important tip in food and wine pairing. If you have no idea where to start, spicy usually goes with sweet. Tasting this wine just brings me back to my childhood. I could sit there for hours and my mom and dad would be looking for me and I would be in the grapevines. I don't know if Muscadine wine is going to be my go-to everyday wine, but I have loved learning about how they make it here at Wills Creek Winery. If you like what you saw on Hey Y'all today, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you're watching on YouTube, click the bell. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my picnic and the awesome views that they have here at this Alabama winery. Cheers, y'all.